Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about Excel. In this video, I'm giving a short introduction to the Excel, how to use it, what is its use and everything. So nowadays Excel is available in two versions. One is the web version and another one is the desktop version. So desktop version which you can install in your computer and access anytime. And in the web version, you can access this Excel application anywhere from the web. So the version I am using here is my subscription from Microsoft Office 365. So you can see that my account is logged in here and also here in the both versions. So the options in the web version and in the desktop version, the all options are pretty much same. So only thing is that this is running in a web browser. This is running as an application. So what is Excel? Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application which is developed by Microsoft, and it is widely used for the data organization, analysis and visualization. So it allows users to create, format and manipulate tables. Manipulate tables of data using functions and formulas. Excel supports various types of the enabling tasks like financial modeling, budgeting, statistical analysis, and so many things it's used for, mainly for the data analysis. The features such as the chart, pivot table, and conditional formatting help users to visualize the trends inside their data effectively. It is an essential tool for business now, business, education, and research, and it's an efficient tool for the decision making and data analysis. So I'm starting with this desktop version. Let me close this one. So this is the interface you can see when you open the Excel. So first you need to click on the blank workbook. It will open Excel like this, the screen like this. And this top part is the different options in the menu. This part is called menu options. So if we click on each menu items, it gives the different options available under that menu. For example, here home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help, and Acrobat. And this is the different options available under each menu, and this is called the cell reference. I will come to that soon. And this is called the formula bar. And Excel has almost how many rows? So almost Excel has this many rows. So these are these are rows and these are columns. So this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, this is the column headings, and this is the row headings. And if you click on any cell, you can see that this reference is changing. So what this means? So you are now in the column D and row number 4. It's a reference column referenced as a D4. So D4. If I am clicking here, now the pointer is in P5, the column P and row 5. So how many rows it has? So to navigate to end of the row, when you click on the first row and click Control and down arrow, it will bring you to last row. So these many rows. It has like 10,48,576 rows. And same way, if I click here from control and up arrow, it will bring to first row. So I am navigating, I am pressing the control and up arrow and down arrow. It can bring to first column and last column. So if I click here and press the control down arrow, it will bring you to the last row in that column. Also, if you click control and right arrow, and it will bring you the last column of the Excel. So it has the 16,384 columns. 16,384 columns. So it's named as let me come here. So it's named as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and after Z it's named as AA, AB, AC, and it's gone like that. So it's named like that. So if I am here, this cell reference is I am in the row 5 and column 85. You can see that this column is highlighted here and this row is highlighted here. So this will easily, you can understand which cell you are in. So this reference is useful when you are doing the doing any formulas in the worksheet. And let me go back to the first column here. And in the bottom you can see some controls, and this is the sheet. So this is the one worksheet, and you can create the another worksheet by clicking here. So it will automatically create a sheet. So whatever you are typing here and here, it will be separate sheets. So these are the separate sheets. So you can create the around 255, I believe 255 sheets you can create, and you can keep creating the 255 until 255 sheets. And also these sheets you can rename, like I'm giving like student name as a sheet name. So this represents like what data contains in that sheets. And here I am entering subject as work. So this way you can rename each sheets. And here you can navigate to any sheet like by clicking here. See, like that you can navigate to any sheets. And this plus button, you can create the new sheets. So you can create until 255 sheets in the Excel. Okay, so now I am coming to the cells. The menu bar I already discussed. These are the menu, and in the top you can see that by default it will create a name like book 3, book 1, book 2, and book 3, and so on, the file name, until you give a name. So when I save this one, it will ask you to give a name. For example, so now it's changed to student information. And there is an option in the Office 365, the auto save. You can off and on this option. So when it's turned on, that means that whatever is typing, it will be automatically saved. You don't need to press the save every time. If it's off, you need to go and save the file each time. So this indicates that the file is saved now. And this also gives the save option. And there is two options here, undo and redo. What is undo? When you do some operations here, for example, I type here and I want to undo that typing, then I can press this, and this one gives you the last operations back. So there is an undo and redo here, and these are the all other options available here. We will go through each options in the different videos. So this is pretty much introduction into the Excel. Hello. So now we can look at some of the options available here. So when you type something here, if it is a numeric value, it will be by default aligned to a right side. If it's a text data, it will be by default aligned to a right side. So this is numeric data and this is text data. So if you want to consider a value as a text, so you enter a colon here and enter numeric value here. So this will consider as a text data, and it will give you an option here. When you enter here, you can see that as tiny green dot here. That will give you an option when you're giving here, and you can convert this as a sorted text, convert to a number. So if you click on this option, it will be converted to a number. So what I'm saying here is that when you enter a numeric data, by default alignment will be in the right side, and when you are in the entering a character or text data, it will be like aligned into the left side. This is numeric right side, and the character data left side. So how to copy this data to the different column? So the option is that you can use a keyboard shortcut. I'm pressing here Control and C, and you can copy that. You can place that cursor in the another column and press the Control V. The same option available here, like you can right click and copy and place the cursor in the another field and paste. And also you can see that when you point to a cursor, you can see that there is a dot here on the right bottom corner. If you move your mouse pointer there, you can see that it's marking as a small plus indicator. Then if you hold the mouse and drag it down, it will copy that data into the columns you selected. Same way here, if you copy this to like this, then it will be copied to all columns like that. If you click here and drag that down, whatever the area you selected, it will be filled with that data. And if you want to remove that data, just select and press delete key. Press and delete key. Okay, so if you want to fill a series like 1, 2, 3, 4, then enter first here, 1 here and 2 here, and select both column and copy like that. So it will consider as a series. This is a built-in functionality in the Excel. So it will create as the series of numbers. So for example, if I am entering here 1, 4 and 1, 4 and 7. So this is a series. So I'm adding 3 to 3 to 1 and get 4, and 4 to adding 4 to 3 and getting 3. So if you copy this one, it will create a series like 10, like 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25, like that. So this way you can create a series of numbers. So I'll show you another one here. If you click Sunday, for example Sunday, I'm pressing Sun and copy here, you can see that it's creating a series here: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it repeat again after that. And also same way, like Sunday, Sunday, and started copying this, and it will create the list of values, sequence values. So same way here, if you click month names like Jan or January, and copy this, and this will create Jan, February. So this way easily you can create the number series, number or text series. So how to create a series here? Custom series you want. For example, I want to create a students list here, the custom series that I am going to be reuse in different places in this worksheet. For example, for that, what you need to do, go to File option and go to go to File menu and go to Options menu. In Options menu, you can see that different options here. Click on Advanced and scroll all the way to down. So when you go all the way to down, you can see that a create list using use in sort and fill sequence. So this is the one we are going to create a custom list. So you can see that this series we just talked, that is coming from here. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, this created here. Like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and this is month names. So I am going to create a new list here and show you how it works. So click on the new list, and I am entering some students' names here. So I have 25 names here. I copied from my other screen. So this is 25 names. This is considered as a sort, the list series, and you add this here. So you can see that this is added here, and press OK, and again press OK. So when you go into this column, for example, you can expand this column like that, the column width like that, and I'm entering the column heading as a student name. Then in that series I am entering the first name. Okay, and if you copy that name down like this, it will create the list like that. And you can see that after 25 it will started from the first name. So keep going. See here, this is the, so let me make it bold as a column heading. So this is 1 to 25. So you can see here in the bottom, when you select the column items here, you can see that count here 25. Number of columns I have selected is the 25. Number of items I selected is 25. So when you keep copying that, it will keep creating the same list. So I only need 25 rows. For example, I'm typing here devly. So this is the name I typed here. So if I copy this, what happens? It won't create the list. So it expecting the first letter, first name in the series which we selected. Then if you copy this, it will create the list here. So that's the trick here. So in this way, you can create the list, create a series of list in the. So I will show it to you again. Go to File and go to Options, and in the Advanced Options, and scroll all the way down and create list using source and edit custom list. So this is the list we created here. You can also import this list from the, when you are creating new list, you can also import the list from Excel. Like for that, what you need to do, I'll show you. What we can create some animals names. For example, I am just showing an example here in the other scene. Copying from the other screen. So this is my list. I want to create a custom list based on this. So first select this list when you create and go to File, Options, and Advanced, and go all the way down, custom list, and import from. So you can see that here H4, this means H4, fourth column, to H20, 20 is selected here. So you just press import and this will be added to your, then you can see that add, then okay again. So this list is added in the option. So when you click lion here and when you copy this one, it will create the list automatically. So in this way you can create the list here, and series I told you, some built-in series are there. Also you can create the series, your own series. This will help you to lot of typing activity. Like if you want to create that series, the series in, if you want to use that series in different places, you can easily type that series and copy easily. You don't need to type every time. Or other option is that you can, for example, remove this. So, and you can copy this using copy and paste here like that. So you can recreate this one without typing like that. So these are some basic functionalities in this one. So, and I believe you got the basic idea of the Excel. So I'm wrapping up this video today, and tomorrow I will start with formulas and functions, and see you in the next video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.